properties of wireless media, as you can see, mostly we talk about signals. They can be, different signs. You can see there are some towers as well, like the mobile signals you can see, and then the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, WiMAX. There are all types of different wireless media. Wireless LAN, so data link layer protocol upon. Okay, so that's just the wireless we just discussed. So wireless, most likely, as you see, wireless. There is no need for cable. That's called wireless media. Wireless media can be Bluetooth, can be also wireless as well. Wi-Fi and WiMAX. First of all, I heard this WiMAX. I don't know. And that's like most likely the wireless. The device need to be wireless capable.